Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Square for keeping clean tax reports on transactions. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To install Square, begin by visiting the official Square website. Click on the Get Started button to create your account. Enter your email address and create a secure password. Follow the prompts to input your business information. Once your account is created, download the Square app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and log in using the credentials you just created. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your payment processing options. Navigate to the Settings section to customize your tax reporting preferences. Select the sales tax settings and input the necessary tax rates for your location. Link your bank account to facilitate easy fund transfers. Explore the transaction history feature to ensure all reports are accurate. Use the reporting tools to generate clean tax reports whenever needed. Review the reports regularly to keep track of your sales and expenses. Stay organized by categorizing your transactions within the app. Regularly update your app to access the latest features and improvements. If needed, access Square's support resources for additional assistance. By following these steps, you'll effectively manage your transactions and maintain clean tax reports. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.